You searched how to buy shares of InMed Pharmaceuticals Inc. InMed Pharmaceuticals Inc. is a clinical stage biotech developing cannabinoid-based and anti-infective treatments listed on NASDAQ under the ticker INM. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an ID document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker INM to find InMed Pharmaceuticals Inc. Select the matching NASDAQ listing to ensure you have located the correct stock. On the stock page, review the company's summary and the price chart to confirm this is INM. Verify the listing details and market hours before proceeding. Tap Invest. Enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details and confirmation before submitting. If the market is closed, your order may become pending or executed as a limit order, and if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Once filled, your INM position will appear in your portfolio with current holdings. Check the video description for the eToro link if you want to explore the platform example.